2 minus 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2 times 3. Now 3 times 2 will give us 6. We have 12 here. Now 12 divided by 6 will give us 2. This is a wrong answer, because according to order of operation called PEMDAS, P here stands for parentheses. So you do the parentheses first, followed by the exponent, followed by multiplication and division. You evaluate from left to right. After that, you do addition and subtraction. You evaluate from left to right. So let's apply it here. We begin with parentheses. Multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. So we'll do the multiplication here. 1 times 2 will give us 2. And 2 minus 2 will give us 0. Alright? 0 times 3 divided by 12. Now, we have multiplication here. We have division here. Remember, division and multiplication, they has the same priority. We evaluate from left to right. So we do the division first. So 3 divided by 12. 12 divided by 3, will give us 4. And 4 times 0 is equal to 0. So the correct answer to this equation is 0.